How to change transmission type on Facebook Marketplace. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be sharing with how you can change transmission type on Facebook Marketplace. How do you do this? The first thing to do is log into your Facebook account and opening your Facebook Marketplace, just like I have done here. And then once that is done, by the left side of the screen, you'll see a list of options such as browse all notifications, inbox, buying, then selling. Just go ahead and click on selling. Once you click on selling, you'll be brought to your selling page. Now, to change your transition type, you can do it in two ways, either by editing a listing or by creating new listing. To edit a listing, you just select your listing here. Then by the right side of that listing, you see three dots. Click on edit listing, and you'll be taken to the edit listings page. But if you want to create a new listing, all you need to do is to click on create new listing. And once you click on create new listing, select or choose the listing type. In this tutorial, we'll be choosing a vehicle. Yeah. So just click on it. And once you click on it, you'll be redirected to a page where you can edit the product. So yes, you select the vehicle type by the left side of the screen. Example, be selecting car or van in this tutorial. Then you scroll down, add your photos, location here, make, model, village price, body style, bed conditions, and then as you can see, transmission. Transmission is located below field type, right? That's our focus in this tutorial. So just click on the box and then you change the transmission here. Automatically, transmission is usually set to automatic transmission, but you can change it to manual transmission if you want to. And then go ahead, fill up the rest of the boxes here. Vehicle condition, fuel type, etc. And then once you're done, click on next and save the product. So this is how you can change transmission sites on Facebook Marketplace. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thanks for watching.